Okay, with this tutorial in Odyssey, we're going to talk about plazas. Plazas are these little sharp spikes in audio. Say the person in a film is acting and they're recording and they get this little punchy thing. Those are plazas. And so it'll make some of the audio sound level and the other one sound like it just jumped up or something like that. So let's take a little example here.
The end of the story of that.
So I kind of emphasized it right here, like just looked at it and tried to do it. So how would you edit this to pull it back down? So you're going to look at the envelope tool here. You're going to click on it. You're going to go over the track like this, click. Okay, let's see if I can get most of it here without. And you're going to pull it down. So click at the sides here, click at the sides here, and you're going to pull it down so it's even with the track. Then you can click out of it, go back to this tool here, the selection tool, and let's check it out.
The end of the story of that.
Well, this sounds a little bit better, right? But you get what I'm talking about. Say it's something spiked up, you can just pull it back down.